and then no wipe top coat, and then precision glue gels. Okay, and I'm gonna do on this nails, and the rest of them will do top coat, and then we're good to go. Just really nice and simple. I'm gonna be finishing with the rings finger, so then you can have an idea about, okay, Nancy, I don't want all my nails to be bling out. Absolutely, I got you. You can do one nails, rings fingers, and the rest of them clear, like me right now. I'm gonna showing you. Well, except my thumb, I dress it a little bit over dressing, but hey, it's okay. I love a lot of like crystal and. All right, so no wipe top coat. Floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Make sure you don't clear your condensed glue gel, because the purpose of it, they both are going to is pick up your crystal design. I mean, grab the base of your crystal and then keep it in nice place. So I'm have my Glow in the Dark is my favorite kits here, and then also I'm using the Luxurious Mega Mix, and I really like this one. I'm gonna get that one out. And also those like really cute in $5 nail art. So a lot of you loves it, and get this, grab them before they are gone. They're all on sale. Everything is on sale. Everything is on in huge sales, and all the order will receive like $100 of a gift card from Glitz. All right, so how do I do this right here? Better like that. That's good. Okay, if you don't want anything else, leave it alone. Here, put precision glue gels on, and you are ready to go. But let's see if I can do something fun with this. You know me, I was adding this looks really cute. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Can you tell that even this short, and I try to negotiate like, hey, I'm gonna add more and more and more. You can you see my clear nails underneath though? A little bit left. But life is too short, do it. Oh my gosh, if I do this, then oh no. Oh no. I like it, but it's a little bit much. Hey everyone, can you still hear me?
Yep. Ajay, do let us know you can hear us. If like you lose sound, like tap it in, let us know.
You type it in, babe. You type it in like, hey everyone, can you still hear us? I don't know, is YouTube can hear us?
No, they are fine.
Okay. Yay. Oh my god, it looks so cute. You probably don't see my clear nails anymore because I cover it up. I love this. That's a really cool about this. It had the random mix.
Yep,
so
yep, they still have audio.
Good. All right. I'm loving this Glow in the Dark crystal kits. It's my favorite. It's time. And then if you haven't got a hands on it, welcome. I have a lot of videos, like 100 of videos that share with you. Don't forget to check them out if you need some inspirations. I'm so happy that I got an opportunity to share with you. I'm gonna keep added on so when I'm talking to you. If you are doing this, you can stop at any time. You don't have to like go on and on and on.
So Nina, so what you want to do is going to be on our third step. It's going to be the precision glue gel. So what you do is with crystal and already kind of bumpy, you have like the edge sticking out that will cut on just feather, on hair, on t-shirt and everything else. So you're going to have precision glue gel, which is Nancy going to do shortly. It will fill in all the gap. It double secure and make sure nothing stuck on anything.
Yes. I want to add some beads on. I'm moving this. I think I'm good with this. Add some beads on. And then You can continue edit more or add more crystal or add more beads. It's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little bit. I always check with either myself, I'm doing for myself, or the clients. Always check on both angles, like this one, and then on the other angle to make sure that all my crystal, it doesn't look crooked. Hold on, this one, that better? Can you see it?
Yep, stay right there.
All right, I'm gonna move this one first before I final cure. And then if you're happy with the design, you're adjusting it, you're happy with this, we are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds. All right, here you go.